My name is Mike Sacavino and I'm the inventory manager at Henderson Outdoor. I use SiteOne.com because of three things. One, it's adaptive, two, it's innovative, and three, it's convenient. Something I love about SiteOne.com is that the customer service takes initiative, and once I input an order, I immediately get a phone call within 5 minutes to confirm the orders. The way I track my orders on SiteOne.com is by hitting the My Account tab and going into the Open Order section. From there, I can track any order that has not yet been fulfilled. In addition to open orders, I'm able to view each and every item to see whether it's in stock or if it's back ordered. Before I was using SiteOne.com, we were using an Excel sheet like a bunch of Neanderthals. It took me forever to get my inventory done. But SiteOne.com and its accessibility for the list option, we were able to cut down on my time by 75%. Everything is nice, concise, organized. It is absolutely convenient.